This is Wayne from Fade to Black. Check out this Cadillac I just faded out. So this Cadillac got tinted with 35% sides in the rear. Now these are custom Raceline one-off wheels. The owner may order them specifically. These were sold by Fade to Black, custom order. It took 10 weeks just to build these wheels. Now he matched them up with the vinyl wrap roof that he did himself. It looks crazy. I'll leave all the information in the description down below. This thing is crazy. It's awesome. You're not gonna see another one like this. Thanks for watching, man. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. I'm gonna have as much content, automotive, RV, window tint, wrap stuff coming as I possibly can. So until then, guys, stay faded. Thanks for watching. Peace.